I can add a subtitle, I can add the story border, I can add square. Hey everyone, this is Payam. Welcome to Undesign channel. So in the last video we learned how we can create avatars and add it to your component. And now I'm going to show you how you can actually create another component out of this one and use it in your design, basically anywhere that's needed. So let's go right ahead and create it. Again, as always, I've prepared the properties that I need. So let's just do it. So I'm going to hit Shift I on the keyboard. I'm going to find my avatar component like so. I'm going to bring it here. And now I don't want the XS. I just want the small and medium and large one, or maybe the X large. You'll never know. So for now, I'm going to keep it like that, and we'll see how it goes depending on the design unit. All right, I'm going to make this really quick. So we need a label. I'm going to hit T on keyboard and write a name. For example, this person was Atlas Brooks, something like that. It should be left aligned. The text should be, that's okay for now. Now I'm gonna select these and create a auto light out of it by hitting Shift A on my keyboard. I'm gonna set a gap, something like 8. Yep. And what I'm gonna do is I want to first create the medium one. So let's go select the medium one like so. I need to increase the size of this a little bit, maybe like that. Also a little bit more spacing, just giving enough breathing room to work with. Okay, now I'm gonna convert this to a component like so, and now I'm gonna rename it to avatar and label. And as you can see, I need to create the status, property, border, story, type, square, subtitle, vertical, and subtitle, actually the text one, subtitle. So the text that goes underneath here, and the sizes. So let's go ahead and do that quickly. I'm gonna create a property. It's gonna be variant. And now what I'm gonna do is connect this one to the label. Or before doing so, let's go ahead and name this one to status. Let me increase the size of this a little bit so we have more room to work with. And now this is gonna be false because we don't have a status here yet. I'm gonna duplicate this one, and this one is gonna be true. And for that, I'm gonna select the already created component in the previous video. I'm gonna turn on the status like so. All right, now let me create another property just to make sure we can edit our text easily. So it's gonna be label or name, and then the value is gonna be Atlas Brooks like so. I'm gonna choose these and connect it to that name property that we created. Okay, the next one is going to, before doing that, let's go create the subtitle one because that's gonna help us in the future, and reduce time when creating the other components, because that's something you need to create first, then remove it. I'm gonna show you in a sec if you don't if it's not that clear. So let's go ahead and create the subtitle, and the value is gonna be false. And for these, I'm just gonna duplicate it like so, and the value is gonna be true. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna duplicate this text like so, and then I'm gonna select them both together and create an auto layout from these two like so. But I'm gonna set the orientation to vertical, and I'm gonna set the margin, actually the gap between them, to 4 maybe, or even less. Let's see, maybe 2. And I'm gonna reduce the size of this one maybe to body 12, something like that. I'm gonna set the text color. Actually, I'm gonna set the other text colors too, but this one is gonna be subtitle. And for these, let's go ahead and set them as body text. All right. Actually, I'm gonna maybe one, or even maybe remove the gap because we already have some spacing, and I'm gonna set the text to online. Oh, not like that. I need to disconnect it first. Sorry. So I'm gonna disconnect it first. I'm gonna create another text property. It's gonna be subtitle, and the value for this I'm gonna go with online, and I'm gonna connect it to the subtitle like so. And now I'm gonna duplicate this one and paste it here. I'm gonna remove this. All right, now we have the ones that have subtitle and status at the same time. The other thing left to do is just creating the other ones. Actually, we need the vertical one because you might need to use that on profile. So I'm gonna pause the video here and just show you the result and testing, because that way, like, this video is gonna take like 20 minutes or so to finish. Okay, so let's make it quick. So I'll see you in a sec. All right, as you can see, I've created all the variants that we need, both vertical, and I included all the edge cases that we might face. So let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna hit Shift I on my keyboard and look for avatar and label. I'm gonna bring it to the screen. Let's set it as center, and let's go ahead and test it out. So I can add a subtitle, I can add the story border, I can add square. Actually, I can change it to square. I can change the avatar type to image, icon, and illustrations. I can make it vertical like this. I can add status, and I can change the size. Basically, this is large, this is medium, and this is X large. We don't need the extra small because that's gonna be too small, and I don't think there's any way we're gonna use that. Anyhow, so let's go ahead and play with it. As you can see, we can easily change our variants and make sure everything stays organized, and voila, we have a complete profile avatar that we can use in our design system. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and leave a like and let me know what you think on the comment section below. And thank you for watching, and also make sure to check out the playlist that I attached to the down in the description, because there you can learn, actually you can create a complete design system from scratch like here. And as you can see, we are we're continuing the series, and we're gonna make sure that we create all the elements that you might need in a product, in a process of designing a product. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.